In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in WordPress. We're going to take a form you've already built in Jotform and place it directly on a WordPress page or post, so visitors can fill it out without leaving your site. This is quick, clean, and doesn't require any plugins. First, head to Jotform and sign in. From your dashboard, go to My Forms and select the form you want to embed. Look for the Share option on that form and click it. In the sharing options, choose Embed. You'll see different ways to place the form on your site. Select either iframe or embed without scroll. Here's a quick way to decide. Iframe is the most universally compatible option and usually avoids conflicts with themes or other scripts. Embed without scroll places the full form on the page and lets your page handle the scrolling, which can feel more seamless on longer pages. Once you've decided, copy the embed code that appears. That code is what we'll paste into WordPress. Now switch over to your WordPress admin. Choose the page or post where you want the form to appear. Open it for editing, then click the Add Block button, the plus icon. In the block search, type Custom HTML and select it. This block is designed to accept raw code, which is exactly what we copied from Jotform. Click inside the custom HTML block and paste the Jotform embed code. You'll see the code in the editor. That's expected. When you're ready, click Update if the page already exists, or Publish if this is a new page. Once you update or publish, the form will appear directly on the page. That means your visitors can see and submit it without being redirected. If you chose iframe, it should display reliably across most themes. If you used embed without scroll and the form feels cramped, consider switching to iframe for better compatibility. Likewise, if your theme has very tight content widths, placing the form in a full width section can help it breathe visually. And that's all there is to it. You copied the embed code from Jotform, pasted it into a custom HTML block in WordPress, and published your changes. Your form is now live and ready for responses, right where your visitors already are.